Logging into Character AI typically involves accessing the platform via its official website or app, depending on the service that you're using. So to begin, you're going to need to create an account and sign in if you haven't already. Now, if you're new to the platform, you're going to generally be asked to provide basic details such as email address and a password. Some platforms may also offer the option to sign up using a social media account, simplifying the registration process. Once you've created an account, go to the login page where you're going to input your credentials, usually your email and the password that you set up during registration. After entering the required information, click the login button to access the platform. In some cases, you may also be asked to verify your identity, such as a two-factor authentication process for added security. If you forget your password, most platforms provide a forgot password option that lets you reset it via email link. So it's important basically to keep your login details secure and protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, after logging in, you're going to typically be able to interact with AI characters. All right. So basically, um, yeah, and that's it. So I hope you have fun. All right.